Hi children. Now we are going to learn the 6th standard mathematics chapter understanding elementary shapes topic three-dimensional shapes. In this video we are going to learn basic three-dimensional shapes. So basic solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, prism and a pyramid. So first let us learn what is two-dimensional shapes. So a two-dimensional shapes is called 2D shapes. So that is 2D shapes has two dimensions. So there are length and breadth. So therefore 2D shapes also called plane figures. So here the square, rectangle, triangle, circle, parallelogram, kite, rhombus, pentagon and oval are example of two-dimensional shapes. So next coming to three-dimensional shapes. So three-dimensional shapes is called 3D shapes. So 3D shapes has three dimensions. So there are length, width and height. 3D shapes can be a solid or hollow. 3D shapes is also called solid geometric figures. So basic three-dimensional shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, prism and pyramid. A three-dimensional figure or shapes can be better described if it is face, edge and vertex. So let's see what is face, edge and vertex. So a face is a flat surface of a solid shape. So that is a flat surface of a solid space is called its face. So its face have two types. So the first one curved faces, second one flat faces. Let's see what is edge. Edge is the line of intersection of two faces. That is the line segment which two faces meet is called an edge. So it is also referred to as side. So edge also have two types. The first one curved edges, second one flat edges. Let's see what is vertex. The point where three edges meet is called a vertex. That is, a corner is also called vertex. So let us understand with one example. So this is a solid shape. So first see what is face. So the flat surface of a solid is called its face. So here the flat surface figure is square. So therefore, so this is the face. So let's see what is edge. The line segment where two faces meet is called an edge. So that is the line of intersection of two faces. So therefore, these are edge. Let's see vertex. So the point where three edges meet is called as vertex. So here, now these are three edges. Three edges meet at a point. So this is called vertex. So now coming to cube, a three-dimensional shape whose length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. So that is, a cube is a box with square faces, which mean all the faces are same size and flat face. So let us see the number of faces, edges and vertices. So we already know a face is a flat surface of a solid shape. So in cube have 6 faces. Therefore, cube has 6 faces. Let us count the edges. So edges means the line of intersection of two faces. So let us find the edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So therefore, a cube has 12 edges. Let's see vertices. So we already know the point where three edges meet is called a vertex. So let us count the vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore, a cube has 8 vertices. So let's see some examples of cube. So the magic cube, next this sugar cube, gift box and your die. So now coming to cuboid. A cuboid is a shape like a box that has a rectangular faces. That is a three-dimensional shape whose length, breadth, height are different, but all the faces are flat face. So let us see the number of faces, edges and vertices of cuboid. This in cuboid has 6 faces. So let us count the edges. So we already know two adjacent faces of a cuboid meet in a line segment called an edges. So the cuboid has, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So therefore, the cuboid has 12 edges. Let's see vertices. 3 edges of cuboid meet a point called vertex. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So therefore, the cuboid has 8 vertices. So now let's see examples of cuboid. So there are matchbox, duster, snacks box, book, pencil box. So now coming to cylinder, a three-dimensional shape with one curved face and two equal circles as it is base is called a cylinder. That is, the cylinder has two flat faces, that is circle faces, and one curved face. So let's see the number of faces, edges and vertices of cylinder. So cylinder has 3 faces and cylinder has 2 curved edges. Next, it has no vertex. So now let's see the few examples of cylinder or battery, gas cylinder, candle, drum, the juice can and pipe. So now coming to cone. Cone is made up of a circular base and a curved surface that comes to point at the top vertex. So that is, a cone has 2 faces. The one face is a flat face, the another one is curved face. So let's see the number of faces, edges and vertex of cone. So cone has 2 faces and let's see edges. Cone has only one edge, that is curved edge. Let's see vertex. Cone has only one vertex. So let's see the few examples of cone are ice cream cone, birthday caps, Christmas tree and traffic cones. So now coming to sphere. A sphere is the set of all points in a three-dimensional shape which are at equal distance from a fixed point. So here the fixed point is called center of the sphere. So that is, a sphere has one curved face and every point on the surface is at the same distance from the center. So let's see the number of faces, edges and vertices of sphere. So here the sphere has only one curved face and it has no vertex and no edge. The few examples of a sphere are a model of a globe, ball, orange, marbles and a thread ball. So now coming to prism. So a prism is also a geometrical figure. It has two end faces. So end faces are similar and parallel polygons and the side faces are parallelograms. A prism has different types. So the prism is named according to the shape of the bases. So there are triangular prism, square prism, rectangular prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism and heptagonal prism. Let's see faces, edges and vertices of the types of prisms. So first triangular prism. So it has 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. Next square prism. So it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Square prism also called cube. Next rectangular prism. So it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So rectangular prism is also called cuboid. Next, pentagonal prism. So it has 7 faces, 15 edges and 10 vertices. Next, hexagonal prism. So it has 8 faces, 18 edges and 12 vertices. So now coming to pyramid. So pyramid is also a solid geometrical figure. So a solid figure with a flat base and triangular sides is called a pyramid. Here all other faces are triangular connected at a point is known as the vertex. So pyramid are also named on the basis of the shapes of their bases. So there are triangular pyramid, square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, heptagonal pyramid. So now let's see the number of faces, edges and vertices of the types of pyramid. The first one, triangular pyramid. It has 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. Next is a square pyramid. It has 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Next, a pentagonal pyramid. It has 6 faces, 10 edges and 6 vertices. Next, hexagonal pyramid. It has 7 faces, 12 edges and 7 vertices. Next, heptagonal pyramid. It has 8 faces, 14 edges and 8 vertices. So now coming to exercise problems. Exercise 5.5. First one, match the following objects with their shapes. First one, a tennis ball. A tennis ball has spear shape. A new pencil has cylinder shape. A dice has cube shape. A jokers has a cone shape. A golden roller has cylinder shape. A kaleidoscope has prism shape. Let's see the second problem. Name each of the following shapes. First one, sphere. Second one, cube. Third one, cylinder. Fourth one, cuboid. Fifth one, square pyramid. Sixth one, cone. Seventh one, triangular prism. Third problem, complete the table. First given solid name is cuboid. So cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Second one, cube. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Third one, cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and it has no vertex. Fourth one, cone. Cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Fifth one, sphere. So it has 1 face and no edge and no vertex. And square pyramid. So it has 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Seventh one, triangular prism. So it has 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. Thank you children.